So this recipe didn't tell me to put the macaroni in it at the same time and cook it at the same time. Guys, the oven lock off. Wait. Hello cocos and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Y'all are the real MVPs. Thank you for all your support. People who reached out to me, big up on yourself. Yeah, we're there for the love, we're not there for the likes. I joke. Please like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Okay, as you can see from the description, from the title, I'm going to be cooking the last meal in the apartment, and it's a pasta dish. You know that pasta dish where you see them put the cheese, the block of cheese, and then the middle and the pasta around it and stuff? Yeah, your girl is gonna do it, but with a Jamaican twist. Because I have a little jerk seasoning left, so I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning to it because I would not be Jamaican if I did not. So let's get into the video. Okay, Googles, don't mind the mess in the background. We are leaving this apartment in one day. I did tell you that I didn't have a lot of jerk sauce. I do have one more, but it's the spicy one, hot and spicy one, and I did not open it. Look what I found, guava jam. I am packing at the same time. What I need for this recipe, you may ask? Let me show you. First and foremost, I need my trusted Pyrex sticks. My trusted Pyrex dish. Yes. Pasta, and I'm using like snake pastas. You can look at it. And this is 250 grams. I need cherried tomatoes. I only have one pack. I hope that's enough. Feta cheese, salt, red pepper, thyme, olive oil, and I already cut one shallot. I'm putting in some green pepper because I have it left and I don't want it to spoil. And I'm going to be crushing 3 garlic. 3 little garlic. Yeah. Cocos, I didn't turn on the oven to the right time. We're gonna throw this in. We're going to throw this oven away tomorrow because the oven don't work properly anyway. The top part, no heat. Yeah. So I can't even give it away. Anyway, yeah, so the pasta is cooking separately, and then I'm going to weigh 250 grams of cooked pasta to put it in. I use like 807 grams of tomatoes, and you saw the other seasonings. Cocos, once I mix everything, I'll come back and I'll show you while I'm mixing. Cocos, I just finished it. I'm gonna put it in a bowl and I'm going to take a picture of it and show it to you. It smells so good, it tastes so good. Maybe the thing that I will do next time, that I won't do next time, is I won't use as much oil. Yeah, I won't use as much oil, but otherwise, oh, I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it. It's gonna be so good. So Cocos, I am having dinner and it is amazing. Like, if you have not tried this recipe, if you saw it and you're skeptical, do it. I didn't add the jerk sauce because I was like, I'm iffy about it because there were a lot of flavors already in it. I didn't use only cherry tomatoes. I used regular tomatoes because I needed 800 and something grams and I didn't have that in cherry tomatoes. You just heard the bread. We're gonna have it with bread. But the sauce is amazing. I think I know why they put the oil in it. The oil works out. So if you can, try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Get on the Coco train if you are not on the Coco train. This is where I share a TOOUPPPS of my life with you. Can't wait to see you again. Bye.